Hello friends, today we have new video, okay, and new tool for Ktag and Kess and for bench programming. This is a BDM frame and sockets. So we open this. This is some tool, and this is a LED board, and this is a stand. This is a base, and this is a sockets, okay, and this is the pins for boot and other things I will show you. And this is a stand for LED stand for LED, okay. We will put aside this. First we will assemble BDM frame. Here you can see two holes, and we will assemble this much things. This is a flat screw, put in a side, and at the bar, okay, same like this. Other side, this is a flat, okay. This is very important in Ktag because in some car we have very small, in some museum we have very small space for soldering, and we can use this. This is a very simple and no need soldering in most of museum, okay. Okay, first assemble this. Black downside, or you can do upside, no problem. Okay, we will screw. This is not tight, okay. Now put this any direction, no problem, and screw. ये स्क्रू ऊपर की साइड से पीसीबी को होल्ड करने के लिए, ठीक है। जो BDM सॉकेट भी बोलते हैं उनको इसके अंदर फिक्स करना है, वो भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ठीक है। और ये अभी डालने हैं एक बार में। और ये ऐसे फिक्स कर देना इसको। tight this. Okay, from back side. Like this. Okay, now put your ECM this side and your BDM frame here, sorry, BDM sockets, and down and tight this for holding at the same position. Okay, now this is the tight at a fixed position. This is now not moving. Okay, now I will show you for pins. Okay, first I will show you for PCB. Here Delphi. Okay, after soldering pin on this, we need to place this inside. Okay, now this is a fix. And this is for example, put ECM below and lose this. And set on soldering point position. Okay, and place your Ktag upon this and do program without any problem. Now no soldering need and your time will be saved after program. Go and remove. And if you need any light, then place other BDM frame. Sorry, other, not a BDM frame, but is a stand for lighting. Okay, बहुत इजी है ये लाइटिंग. फिर इसका काफ़ी फ़ायदे भी हैं. अब ये लाइटिंग आपको मिल जाएगी और कहीं पे जब 2-3 जगह पे बूट का वो लगाना पड़ता है Ktag के थ्रू, तो आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं.
Straight position and tight. Okay.
Like this you can place, and you can also turn on light on this. You can see this. This is a plastic on this, and this is our ECM, and we will check this type. This is for to boot, for example. Okay, let's from this is needle. Be careful, this is very sharp. You can put without soldering like this. Okay, and read via Ktag. If you like video, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends. For more information, see description.